This is a let's talk video. I was just looking at my numbers on YouTube. To be honest, I've never really, I cannot say I've really taken YouTube seriously. I think I should start doing it. I looking at my numbers on Social Blades. I just passed 15,000 subscribers, which is pretty good for me, for a person who doesn't put their all into that part of it. So I'm at 15,000 subscribers. I have over 1,000 videos on YouTube. I mean, some of these videos are not really videos, like I didn't put time into it, to be honest. You know, I have videos where I'm driving down the street and I just put on my device and record myself. So 1,000 videos, it sounds like a lot, but it's not that much of a big deal. Probably half of that is non-edited videos that I just record with my camera or my phone. Most of it is with my notes and stuff. I'm close to over 12 million video views on YouTube. And I've been doing this since in March of 2011. After that video, really I posted it for a friend of mine so that he could look at it to fix one of his computers. That video wasn't there, it got views, and it took about 2 years before YouTube actually contacted me and I went into AdSense with YouTube. From there, you know, I leak videos every now and then, and there were times that I tried to take it serious, but YouTube is not my job. This is not what I do. I have a real job. But yeah, so I'm happy with my subscribers. I mean, every day, like sometimes when I'm just chilling out, I go into my YouTube app and I look up the people who leave views and how many people I help with problems and devices and whatever. And you know, in the past couple of years also, I have been almost every day I go to the mailbox, things keep coming in. There's a lot of stuff that I do review. This just came in to review and they might never see a review. I just got these just today in the mailbox. Sometimes on a Sunday night to Monday morning, I get so many emails from people who want me to look at this stuff. Just sometimes not even to review, just to look at it to tell them if it's a good product or not. And sometimes I just let it go. You can see behind me a lot of stuff, stands, headphones. I get to play with so many toys because of YouTube. And I love doing this. Sometimes I love doing it, sometimes I just don't want to do it. You know, it's a love-hate relationship. I'm gonna give YouTube a chance in the sense of really putting more into it, keeping a schedule as to when I upload videos. Probably every Thursday or Friday I will upload at least 2 videos. One of them will be a review, one of them will probably be probably a how-to. I rather do how-to videos for 2 reasons. 1, I like it, and 2, because it get more paid views. Yeah, I get paid for YouTube videos. I get something under the table from YouTube. Yeah, I do, honestly, but I do get a little money from YouTube. It's one of the incentives for doing this. It's a little pocket change that I make. Through the years, it have gone up kind of steadily, up and up and up, because a lot of my videos that I make are not. Here's the thing about making YouTube videos that I've learned in the last year or so. Depending on what video you make. For example, if I make a video about this, which I have, but if I make a video about this is just a product that will last a year and a half. Especially on Amazon. Something new will come up, something different will come up. The views on this will last the time this lasts. If I make a how-to videos, which I've made how-to videos, and I have videos here on YouTube that I made probably like 5 years ago, and these are the videos that actually make more income for me on YouTube. That brings in more money. So my old videos, my old how-to videos, how to do this, videos that people spend time on to really play and look at it. Okay, how did he do that? And they trying to do it. These are the videos that make income for me. These videos that I review stuff, they barely make nothing because people don't spend time. Sometimes somebody will watch a video of me reviewing that, and after, if the video is 3 minutes long, after a minute and a half, they move on because they already know what I'm talking about. It's not how many times somebody watch a video, it's how long they stay on the video. So you can make a 12 minutes video that can have 1 million views, but at the end of it all, did that 1 million views count as for time that people spend on that video? The attention span of somebody on a video is usually between 1 and 3 minutes. People do like 5 minutes video, 10 minutes video, unless if it's something that really captivates them. Right now I'm kind of looking at ways to make my reviews as short as possible, to the point. Here it is. Because I know nobody wants to spend 5 minutes listening to a rant on this. So that's what I'm looking into. I'm trying to find the best way to bring you content. That's my new way of trying to do things. If I'm reviewing those things back there, I want to find a new way to review those things. Like right now, I just found a new way of reviewing headphones to let you listen to the headphones, especially with noise cancellation. Those headphones that I've reviewed before, I'm going to re-review them, make it shorter, and give you the perspective of what I'm listening to. Guys, Charlie here, like and subscribe. I'm out. See, check this out. It's the Canon remote for this. I can just put you off.